So where are we going today, you may ask? Well, it's a place known in Thai as Somdet Phra Srinakarin Park in Phichit, which basically translates to Princess Srinakarin. She was the late mother of the late King Rama IX here in Thailand and was affectionately known as Somdet Ya, or Royal Grandmother. The park was opened in 1987 and it was to commemorate the 80th birthday. I've been there many times before. I've never done a vlog or any kind of blog. So we'll go together and see if we can see anything interesting and maybe get the drone up. Just going to enter the park now. It's incredibly well kept. There's no two ways about it. Always well trimmed. Very rarely a leaf on the ground. So it's Wednesday the 12th of November and we've just entered the park. It's 20 to 1. Might be like up. Come on. I don't want fish food now. It's 20 to 1 in the afternoon. It's incredibly hot. The sun is directly above me. But I've been wanting to come here for a while now. There is no shade here. So whatever video I do or whatever drone flight I make, it's going to be short for the simple fact that I can't find shade. You'll see me walk in and out of shade now, but it's not for very long, believe you me. I'll try to show you the kind of manicured garden or the manicured park in a little bit. I would suggest somebody's been out quite recently and given the lawn a bit of a mow. Try and get in some shade. Well, here's the first bit, so I think I'll stop here for a second. I'll just turn the camera around and give you an idea of the manicured gardens. So it's a very small park. They say it's set on 20 wide. But again, beautifully manicured. And in the distance there you can see Srinagarindra. can probably hear the whirring behind me. I didn't intend to stay here that long because it's incredibly hot. What's the time now? It's probably just gone 1 o'clock. I've had like 15 minutes in full sun and got the drone up for a few shots, a couple of spotlights, etc. Incidentally, there are minimum of 11 of these places across Thailand, each to honour the princess. I'm only about 100 meters from the car, so I'll keep this brief. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment. I'll try to put this on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok, so everybody has a fair chance of getting to view my little video. Okay, thanks for now and take care.